Hi everybody, welcome back to Book Talk with Notion Press. Here we have with us Miss Aadhya. Can you tell us a little bit about your book?
My book is to help children about their emotions because I looked around and saw that most of my friends didn't know how to control their emotions.
Right.
So I then thought about writing articles and then collating it into a book.
How old are you, Aadhya, if I may ask?
I'm 11 and a half almost.
Wow, we are the same mental age. So is this your first book fair experience?
Yeah, I've never come to a book fair.
What is one thing about your book you think is like unique, like no other book has?
No, not a lot of books talk about emotions,
Right.
but if there are books that talk about emotions for children, most of them are written by adults,
Right.
but not by children. So I feel like this may connect better.
Better with the audience, right?
Yeah.
What challenges did you face writing this book?
Originally, because it was articles, I didn't know how to collate it into a book and had to edit it so many times. And
Right.
I didn't, sometimes I would not know how to write the entire chapter.
Right. Well, who gave you this idea that you should write a book?
I was writing articles, and then my mother's a psychologist, so she had given me an idea that I could do this.
And since you're a writer yourself, what piece of advice would you give for budding authors?
I would say that sometimes it can get hard, and then you may want to stop writing because you don't have immediate ideas. But
Right.
then you shouldn't do that. You should probably take a break for some time and get
Right.
back to it.
Wow, wisdom. So much wisdom. Anyways, thank you so much for sharing your experience with us.
Thank you.
Please have a wonderful experience at the book fair.
Thank you.
Nice to see you around.